Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Old Squid and Unicorns and Rainbows here. We are in North Adams, Massachusetts, and we're getting ready to hike up to the summit of Mount Greylock. It's about a 3.3 mile hike each way on the Appalachian Trail. And so we're starting here at Wilbur's Clearing Trailhead, and we'll hike about 0.2 miles to catch the Appalachian Trail south up to Mount Greylock. So it's a beautiful day today. It's supposed to hit about 83 as a high. But we got plenty of water. We already slathered ourselves in DEET and deep woods off because the bugs are out today. Yes, but there should be some really incredible views on this one. The first one being Unicorns and Rainbow. Yeah, but there should be some incredible views up here. We took a drive up to the top of Mount Greylock last night just to check it out. The War Memorial is really cool. There's a nice lodge there. So anyway, we're going to go up there. Hopefully it'll take about 2.5 hours up, 2.5 hours back, maybe a little less each way, hopefully. Glad to have you along with us. And we'll do some videos and some pictures today and get something on YouTube real soon. Take care. As we head toward the Appalachian Trail in 0.2 miles. And into the woods we go. It's really nice and cool out here. So hopefully we'll be lucky and it'll be a good, comfortable hike. And Unicorns Rainbow, look, she's doing great. First 0.2.
Doing great, super great.
0.02 miles.
It's beautiful in the fall.
I bet it is. It's really pretty. So, hello everybody. So we just realized, I'm getting really good at this. We actually parked at a trailhead that was about a mile further down the mountain than we wanted to be when we started. So we ended up hiking 3 miles on the Bernard Farm Trail. Actually more than 3 miles probably, because we got on it, we were on it for about a quarter of a mile before we decided it might be the wrong trail because we were confused. We went back to the parking lot, walked up a road for a mile, then got onto the Bernard Farm Trail at 0.3 miles of that trail. And then we just got done with 3 miles of it with 1,950 feet of elevation in 3 miles. Kicked our butts. What did you think about that, Unicorns and Rainbow? We kicked our butts. Yep.
But it's good.
So now we actually are on the AT going south. We just got on the AT. So if you look up here, this is the up here. So there we go. That's the Bernard Farm Trail. Not Trail Gate parking. That's where we parked. That's 3 miles. And we go over here. There's Trail Angel right there. Hey. Who's actually been kicking my butt today hiking. Yes, you have. You had to wait for me coming up that trail. I guess I'm not in hiking shape, but anyway. And then Appalachian Trail South to take us to Mount Greylock at 2.1 miles. So that's the goal. That's where we're going. Not a lot of video going on because we're just getting our ass kicked right and left. So anyway, maybe we'll take some down this trail. Anyway, we'll be hiking a ridge, so it's going to be this. Shouldn't be as bad as the last 3 miles, but we'll see what happens. All right. Hey everybody, here we are at the top of Mount Greylock. I tell you, the hike up here was something else. It was 4.5 hours, 3,002 feet of elevation, 3 miles on the Bernard Farm Trail, which was really steep, and then 2.3 miles on the AT southbound. So, but no, it's worth it. Anyway, we got up here and we're taking a little break right now. There's the monument back there, and then we're getting ready to head back down 5.2 miles back down to where we're parked. Be a 10.4 mile day. A little more than we want to do, but it's still a good hike, and we will sleep good tonight. So anyway, we'll talk to you when we on the way, or when we get to the bottom. One of the two. Alright, we're headed for the return trip down. Just want to show you the marker for 18 North. There we go. We're going down that little meandering trail right there. And,
That's a deceiving.
it's deceiving. There's plenty of
very deceiving.
Plenty of elevation waiting for us.
Plenty of elevation waiting for us.
It should be easier, we're hoping, this time, because we're going mostly down. So, and we are tired. So this is we're pushing it. So anyway, we'll see you along the way.